up, Most Seduced? Back at it again. And today, we got a 6-4 rear. Mustang threw me off. But we about to get this inside my car. Been procrastinating, and I finally got it here with you all. And my drive shaft is starting to mess up again. As you can see, it broke the center. The rear coupler is starting to get damaged, so I won't need these couplers anymore. I'm about to buy a one-piece drive shaft. So this is just the first part. It's probably gonna be way more parts to this video, but I'm just showing y'all where I'm at so far. And I'm about to get this rear end and the windows and everything. So I'm not doing it how everybody else does it. This is a 2009. So as long as I use all my accessories, take the front cover off of the 6.4, it drops straight in. Just gonna pair it to the nag. But for now, I'm just gonna run the rear like this. I'm about to purchase the drive shaft. So that'll be here in about 2 weeks. I'm buying it second hand off somebody else, so I'm really just waiting for my check to hit today and sending them the money. It's a brand new one. You know, to do the Hellcat rears, you gotta get, it's like $1,000. So you gotta get, you know, they have the different flange on the other end. This is a 3-bolt, but you can replace the I get more into that when I get to it. It's hard to explain. I removed that. I'm trying to put this one on now. I gotta put that one back on the other car. So Most Seduced, we got it all in there. It's on there. It sits way lower, as you can see. Took some time. We got red right here with a screwdriver in his ear. You really got a screwdriver in your ear, bro?
You mean a screw?
Oh man. 6.4 intake going on soon. Just 5.7 stock.
Good news and bad news.
What?
That shit's stripped. You gotta use the other part. You can't use
Let me see.
I don't want you to strip my shit. It's stripped. I'm telling you.
Alright, do that. Let me.
You try, but don't strip my shit. It's stripped. It ain't gonna go in there easily.
Alright, Most Seduced. So we got all this about to be shipped out today to another YouTuber who's gonna actually use this. I'll probably give y'all more information on the 6.4 swap than I am, because I'm doing it a different way. Y'all gonna see very soon. I'm gonna tag his name, so I'm giving him all this. The only thing I technically need in my car, because I have an 09, is the motor. As you see, Savage Garage. That ain't my name no more, but you get it. The 6.4. All I need is the 6.4. Mine's is already equipped with the newer 5.7. So it's a direct swap. So I don't have to change my trans, nothing. Just drop it right in. If you know, you know. So I said I'm not going to use. I sold the dash, everything. Only thing I have left is a hood, bumper, fender. But I'm going to tag him, and he's going to give y'all more in-depth. I'm not going through all the bull crap for the other stuff. I more so went the sleeper route, you know. Keep my dash, everything. It's all cool. So all this is being fixed today. And I'm kind of being a little slow with everything because Max still has my heads. I sold the 6'4" heads that was on the block. So Max still has my heads. I got to order a cam from him. And my stall and drive shaft I actually need, as you can see. There's no drive shaft under here after I put the 6'4" rear in. So those are the little things I need. And I lost my key. So I only have, the key was damaged. So I only have this. This is not like the other ones where you have the key. It has the mechanism like this. Well, this is the new key. But that's the Durango key, and that's the old scat key. So that's it, guys. I'll catch y'all. What's up, most to do? So we just put new shocks in. Got my son out here with me. As you can see, y'all haven't seen this yet, but I might make a video. New shocks, suspension. Out here since like 9 o'clock. I'm about to let her down for the first time. She was scraping and everything. I bought this car in Pennsylvania for $900. So cool little daily. I took a trip. Daily. Something to happen for me and the kiddos. I'm about to let her back down. Tighten the lugs up. And go test her out. Because you seen how she was scraping at first. Like, oh boy. This is where it's scraping at right here. You can see. All the war rooms right here and stuff. It's over 4 hours back. We made it. Let me get these stands up. Alright, what's up, most to this television? Ain't no more playtime. See, I'm out here. Long johns with the holes in it. Getting to it on the charger. But we sizing everything up right now because as I don't know if I told y'all or not, but the 6'4" is going in here. This is my donor car right now, the Durango. This is the 6'4", the block. As you can see. I'm gonna turn the camera back around, but it's a BGE block. You don't see it on here at the moment. It's for sure a BGE block. Got it out of a 19 I bought. It was an 18 or a 19. Got gypped. Title issues. So I took it apart. Just in case he tried to say, he tried to run back to report his car stolen or something. I just took it straight apart. I don't got time for that. I've seen it happen before. So I want to sell a car and then report it stolen. So, and the money I spent is gone. So, the motor's right here. Got all types of headers beside it. Those for the Jeep, the Commander. I don't know. That one got issues. I might buy another one. I get rid of this one. I'm getting me another 3-row SUV. It's mandatory. But I'm gonna flip the camera around and let y'all know the game plan of what's left. So as y'all know already, I did the scat rear. I just got stands under it, and I was supposed to be putting the exhaust on, but I can't because everything from the exhaust goes straight to the headers. So it's just not lining up by myself. So we got that. Then we got to work towards getting the front on, which I've been procrastinating. I think I need to get new upper. I wasn't going to, but I think I might need to. New upper, 2 lowers. I'm not gonna mess with the suspension. The suspension is fine. And, so we can put these on. The same on the right side. So we can put these on, which the 6 pistons. These seats coming out. I'm putting my 300 SRT8 seats in it. So these 6 pistons going on. And now I gotta change this ball joint. God damn it. And I'm looking at it. I gotta change both. So, whew. Might as well just get the whole kit. And the intake's right there. This is the intake for the 6.4. But here's the kicker. That's a JLT. I dropped it. That's my red key. So, oh, my cover came off. I dropped it one day. Now I have to get that little part fixed. Or whatever. Which is not really bad. It's bad, but could be worse. So yeah. It's just that little part, and I believe some right here. Just gotta get that fixed, and we're good. I don't know if this even comes off, so I'm gonna try to get a what do they call it? Plastic welder. Gotta weld that back on, and then we should be good from there. So I showed y'all the engine, a little my progression, and by the end of the week, shoot, by tomorrow, I should have this engine ready to be pulled. Because the plan was, sorry, I'm putting the stuff back in the car. The plan was to have the car done by my birthday, but the issue with that is I was just gonna rock it out and just drive it when I got the drive shaft, which was supposed to be coming on my birthday, for the day before, July 22nd. So now I said, fuck it. If I'm gonna be waiting, I might as well just throw this in there. Quick pause. So the drive shaft that I originally bought, I bought it off of eBay for $700. Then I sold it after that. Then I had to buy one from the drive shaft shop, which still isn't done. It's like a 6 to 8 week wait, but they still say they don't have the parts. So that's why I was gonna drive the 5.7 around for a little bit. But then I decided I'm just gonna swap it over because I have the time now, because it's not gonna be ready by my birthday, July 23rd. That's the plan right now. That cigarette just fell in there, but we're gonna pull this engine out. Fuck that. Let's get this shit up out of here. So I'm trying to figure out where this engine is going into, because it's not bad. The engine ran perfectly great. Oh shit, I gotta get new motor mount, so I forgot about that. Yeah. And we're gonna toss that one in. But it's just a couple of things that I gotta get. Like this came off right here. So I'm going to the junkyard anyway. I want a center console. It just doesn't look right without it. So I want a center console. Let's try to get a center console so maybe I could, you know, get some paddle shifting going on in here. Not paddle shifting, but I got the auto stick up there as well. But this goes to something which I don't know what. I'm just gonna cut a big enough, you know, little thing out of an 08 Charger or 300. Get the center console in here and plug this in, which that should be enough to actually tell me. I'm just gonna, for this one, cut a lot of it out, just in case. And that's that. It should just go right in. This is from my 300, that's how I did. These cloth seats gotta come out. I want to change the liner down here too. I'm not going the traditional way that everyone else does with their 6/4 swaps. I'm doing it this way, which it's just, it can be complicated. And I got to know enough here where I could just drop the motor straight in. If you know, you know. It's just like, I don't really too much care about all that technology stuff. Cause for real, I could just throw a radio in here. It'd be completely great. But what else? Once I get these working again, I'll throw my taser in here again. Well, I gave it to Eli, the one with the blue Smurf, the Charger. But I'll just go buy another one. I'm not really worried about it with my line lock and all that, which I don't need that either. But a good thing to have. So I'm gonna tag this whole video together of what I've done, and then add this video, and then we're gonna progress from there. I'm just gonna show y'all the step by step, because the main reason that's keep pushing me too, I got an exhaust sitting under my car. And I gotta put it back. I just got to. So that's not a cheap exhaust, it's just loose. That's a Corsair exhaust. So we're gonna get that JLT put on. We're gonna get these front Brembos put on. Drive shaft and engine. And we good from there. I just yesterday started it. Might put another steering wheel in here because this ain't it. Might go to the junkyard, get one for cheap. So I decided to go all in my pajamas. Funky than a motherfucker now. The sun been beaming. And voila. She's out. So I don't know, I gotta put the block somewhere. Gotta take a couple of the accessories off and put the stall in, as you can see that. I don't even know what that is. Guess they replaced the trans, the drive shaft, but the engine's out basically. And I just gotta put it somewhere until I figure out if I'm putting it in there or I'm gonna buy something else to put it in. It's gonna be a truck. I need a truck more than anything. I got 4 kids, so should I just put it in here? Because it has a misfire on cylinder 1, and the engine I took out of the Jeep had a misfire, so it's probably literally a misfire, but I'll probably sell the old block if I do put it in there. This still runs, as you can see. It's just my storage right now. But it has a misfire. So, do I just drop her on in there? Well, I may never know. We're gonna get on to the other part. So, we got the stalling, got the engine out. About to pull this out and set it in there.
Give me 5.
Put that.
You want to go back in the house? Look at that. She gonna start crying. Go ahead, man.
Cry, baby.
Oh, that's who we looking like. We're gonna place her down in there. Only thing I really had to change was the side motor mounts. Everything is identical. Oh, and this. So one since I had to change, the rest should be all identical. This was all that came off the scat, so I did take this off. I didn't necessarily need to, but I just took it all off because I got it. And then I'm gonna put the alternator. Well, the alternator I'm keeping because this is the same, but the AC compressor, I'm gonna use mine because I ain't take the Freon out. All right, currently the next day. See, but we right here. We gotta get the pilot bearing out so we can put in that one because this came out of an 8-speed and I think they don't use it. Okay, the back side's this way. But this one doesn't have it, so I had to go run a tool from AutoZone to pull it out. The engine will be in if this had one in it, or that one. We'll probably be halfway through, but you just thread this in as far as you can and pull her on out. Now I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand because it's unstable, as we already can see, and I have nothing holding it, so I'll get back at y'all when I get it out. So she's slowly coming out. Then I go back and get my $100 on AutoZone. Then you just use the hammer, whack it in the back of there. You're done. Start throwing the engine in. Easy money. Yeah, you could throw a block of wood or something around this thing so you get it flushly in. part number at AutoZone, just in case anybody else need that shit. As you can see, BGE. I don't know what that is. 37, check 957. Are these connectors the same? Look like it, but if not, we'll just change them. Hopefully they're the same. So now we're gonna drive around. I'm gonna get Big Ray to come clean these pistons up like he did on this other block. And that's it. Let's get around. Well, it's not working because I gotta put my hand on it, but getting the flywheel bolts in. It's 6 of them. And then you'll proceed with the rest of the bolts that go in. You're technically done putting the engine in wise. So we'll continue to push through with this, and I get back at you on the next one. Alright, Mother, so all we have left to do is put the top end on. And I just spoke with Mac today. He said he got to deal with someone else who faces around the city. Y'all probably don't know him, but it's basically like he got to do all Bob stuff first, and then he's going to do my heads next. So I'm really just waiting on the heads, and I got to get that intake manifold fixed to block everything. Everything bolted down to the motor mounts, everything. So if you could just like, rate, subscribe. I'll get back at y'all in the next one. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I've been trying to reach it for a long time. I haven't been pushing the narrative, but please go ahead down there and hit that subscribe button. I'll get back at y'all in the next one. Peace.